Today we're going to be learning about the Bossy R, and I've mentioned this to you before. The R, when it follows a vowel, changes the vowel's sound. For example, when we have an R that follows an A, the A no longer says ah or A, it says R, just like a pirate would say. So when we have the A followed by an R, we get the R sound. Some examples we have here are barn, shark, bark, harp, yarn, jar, car, and star. The A followed by the R makes the R sound. All right, so let's practice this, okay? So we have the Bossy R mix-up. What we're going to do is we're going to look at the picture and then figure out what the word should be. Well, this is a picture of a car, so I need to change it to C-A-R. All right. Next to that, I have a picture of a farm. I hear the F and the R sound and the on the end, F-A-R-M. This is a picture of a jar, so I hear the J and then the R sound, J-A-R. Coming down, I have a picture of a shark, so I hear the sh sound made by S-H, the R made by A-R, and the K at the end made by a K, shark. Now I have a picture of yarn, so I hear Y, R, and N, Y-A-R-N. And finally, I have a picture of the dog who is barking. So I have B, R, K. Okay, and now I need to write a sentence using one of the words. Okay, so I'm going to use shark. I see a shark. And I'm going to make one more sentence using one of these other words. The dog barks. Okay, so I used shark and I used bark. The final thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use some of those words to fill in my chart of AR. So I'm going to go ahead and start with star. And then I'm going to use car and bark. How about yarn? Finally, let's use farm. And let's see, can I come up with another AR word? How about barn? B-A-R-N, barn.